The most important meeting in your business, the daily huddle. This is by far the most important meeting in any rapidly growing business. Vern Harnish, who I've interviewed, the author of Scaling Up, says companies that grow fast pulse fast, meaning companies that grow rapidly, they have a method of checking in with people rapidly throughout the day. And you got to figure out how to roll this out in your company. The way we do it is through a very specific morning huddle, daily huddle structure that we run in our company. And it entails 15 minutes on Mondays, 7 minutes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and 15 minutes on Fridays. I'm going to explain the exact structure of the morning huddle. What are some of the absolute innovative ideas that we've come up with that have changed our entire culture as a business as we've doubled or tripled our revenues year over year, 4 years running, going from 0 to over 8 figures in revenue, over 40 full-time W-2 employees. And this is my first business, and I had no prior business experience, bootstrap, no investors. Like, how did we do this in a service-based business? I'm telling you, the morning huddle is the key meeting, the #1 profit driver when it comes to a meeting that we roll out in our business that has the biggest impact. Now, before I explain the exact daily structure, Monday through Friday, of these daily huddles, I want to first start with that the goal of a daily huddle is simple. Create high energy in the company. It's not about the details. It's not about the script I'm about to show you. It's not about the template I'm about to show you. Do whatever you possibly can to get people to smile, to get people to share gratitudes about other members of the team, which is a key thing that I'm going to be hitting on point number 4 in this video, which is how to express gratitudes to your team during the morning huddle. You want to be building energy. You want people to feel unstoppable after these daily huddles, and you only have 7 to 15 minutes to do it. So here's exactly how you do it. First of all, I explained 15, 7, 7, 7, 5, 15. So what that means is Mondays, a morning huddle should be 15 minutes. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a morning huddle should be 7 minutes. And Friday, a morning huddle should be 15 minutes, okay? So Monday and Friday are longer because we like to include what are called motivational messages, right? So on Mondays, we want people to not feel like groggy or like they're coming out of the weekend and they don't feel energized about the week at hand. So we're gonna include on Mondays an extended, whether it's like a motivational video of, you know, an athlete that has a super inspiring story, or a video that you watch over the weekend. You're gonna try to include something inspirational within that extended Monday session. And then also, you're going to try to include something inspirational on Friday so people close the week out. You don't want people tapping out on Fridays looking forward to the weekend, right? You want people to be excited about it being Friday so they can get stuff done. And they feel excited about there being one last day to hammer out all the tasks that they're accountable to, rather than checking out as soon as 5 p.m. hits, right? So that's your job as a leader, to create an environment where people are excited to finish Friday strong, where people are staying in the office 6, 7 p.m. because they want to accomplish their personal goals through the business, right? One quick point on this is morning huddles or daily huddles need to start on time, and they have to start at a specific hour. So we start ours every single day at 8:58 a.m. Eastern, okay? Not 8:55, not 9 a.m., 8:58 a.m. Eastern, okay? And the reason that it's specific is because we expect everyone to be prompt, right? We expect everyone to be there 1 minute early, and that is a standard of our business. Now, if you choose not to follow that standard in our business, that's on you. I mean, I can assure you this, and I'll ask you a question real quick. Have you ever felt good breaking a promise that you kept to yourself, right? The answer is clearly no. So your team will self-correct if they are not able to reach those being on time, but expect that of your team. And that needs to become a part of your culture. And if it becomes a problem, we do write people up if they are late to our morning huddles. We've written people up multiple times for being late to our morning huddles, okay? It is expected that you are on time, and on time is not on time. 1 minute early is on time, okay? And that's why we use a specific time for those morning huddles. Okay, next is department updates. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday throughout the week, we do what are called departmental updates. So on Tuesdays, we do a sales and marketing team update. On Wednesday, we do a service and client experience update, right? So on Tuesdays, we report on all the numbers and updates about leads coming into the business. On Wednesday, we report on the numbers and updates regarding providing a wow experience and service to our clients, right? So output, input, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on Thursday, we talk about operations, general operations, company-wide updates as our departmental update on Thursday, right? Now, core value gratitudes and team gratitudes. This changed our business forever. Have you ever felt like you had core values for your business, but they're not real? The team doesn't feel like they're real. They're not living and breathing them. They're not acting on them. I know I felt like that for a really long time until I learned this hack. And kudos to Dennis and Brandon on my team who came up with this. Every single morning, we go through what are called core value gratitudes. We'll usually do it about 3 days a week. We'll share a screen on our morning huddle with our whole team. Some of our teams virtual, some of our teams in person. We'll share a screen. We'll have all of our 6 core values up on there. And then we'll go through during our daily huddle, and 10 members of our team have to call out a core value gratitude to some other member of the team. So what that means is, like, one of our core values at our company is be the bar. Be the example is what that stands for. So we'll say, all right, core value gratitudes today. And you can decide how you order this throughout the morning huddle. We switch it around sometimes to keep people engaged. So we'll have 10 people share a member of the team that exhibited one of those core values. So someone will go, okay, I'd like to share, I'd like to express gratitude towards John. John on our team this week expressed core value number 1, be the bar. And Kathy on our team says, I'd like to share a core value, gratitude today. And this would happen in the morning huddle. Kathy would say, I'd like to express gratitude towards John for being the bar. Yesterday, John was the example when a client freaked out at him, and he kept his composure, and he was really calm and composed, and I really respect John for that. So publicly, the team is complimenting other members of the team on core values that you have as a company. It is so powerful. The team feels energized and confident. They feel bought into those core values that you have as a company. They're like front and center every single day or 3 days a week in those morning huddles. So powerful, powerful, powerful. I hope I'm being clear about the power of this, because it has changed our business dramatically. So the next thing I want to share that's really powerful in morning huddles is public reporting of key numbers in the business. So if 3, 4, 5 days a week you report during your daily huddle, all right, everyone, so revenue brought in from yesterday is X. If you do events, okay, number of tickets sold, number of tickets sold yesterday is X. Total number of tickets now for our event is Y. Round of applause for that, right? Everyone's giving rounds of applause throughout the all morning huddle. Again, high energy, right? And we'll report on Net Promoter Score. We'll report on number of consultations brought in through our marketing. The key is to create public accountability around the important numbers in your business. It should only be 3 to 5 numbers, but you want to build energy and excitement. And if the numbers are off track, you're going to tell the team, hey, this number's off track, that's okay. But everyone needs to deliver an idea today as to how we can get that number from off track to on track. So imagine doing that every single day. And then this also, like, we have a dashboard that tracks these numbers so that everyone can access them throughout the day, week, hourly if they want. And then last but not least is the incentive reminders. And the incentive reminders is so important. Every company should have a bonus plan in place. Okay, what bonuses do you pay out if your team gets 5-star reviews, video testimonials, if they recruit someone to your team or recommend that someone joins your team? What bonuses do you receive if you reach, a company-wide goal, like the revenue goal of the company, and everyone gets paid a bonus on it, $1,000 to $2,000. Remind the team of the bonuses you have in place, because everyone will forget about them. So we pay out a bonus. If someone refers someone to work at our company and they get hired, you get a bonus. If you get a 5-star review from a client, you get a bonus. If you get a video testimonial from a client, you get a bonus. If we hit our company big goal for the quarter, you get a bonus, right? So we want to constantly be advertising the bonuses in the company so that the team doesn't forget about them. That is another pillar of our morning huddles. Again, this is all happening in like a minute each, real quick, right? And then you're getting team feedback, applause, right? Applause is so important. We usually try to applause after everyone shares the core value gratitudes. And then last but not least, the closeout, right? So every single morning huddle that we hold 5 days a week, we have someone close us out, right? So our closeout goes like this. If you haven't heard it today, just know that I love each and every one of you. Today's a great day to have a great day on purpose. Everybody put your hands in, right? And then we all put our hands up and go, be the bar. We say one of our core values. We put our hands up in the air, and then everyone applauds, right? And then the morning huddle is done. So those are the principles of effective morning huddles. We have tested and tested and tested to come up with this structure. I believe this meeting alone can add another 7 figures in profit to your business if you learn how to roll this out properly. I know it's transformed our business. It's transformed our culture, the energy in our environment, the team's commitment to the numbers and the goals they have to hit. So I hope you found this video valuable. If you did and you want more videos like this, please press that subscribe button right now so you can be notified when we release new videos. Also, I'm giving away my tools bundle on all the most important personal growth tools and business growth tools that have allowed me to double or triple my company each year for 4 years running with no startup capital, no capital at all, and a team of over 40 full-time team members. And I show you how I do it through these tools. So if you want those tools, it's tools.smbteam.com, tools, plural.smbteam.com. The link should be in the description. Download that, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay great.